Hello everybody, how una dey? It's been a long time, yeah? Are you planning to JAPA and you don't get tech skill? You're on a long thing, like the band say. So we have brought you someone that got on a Tech Nation visa. You'll be shocked. Many people don't even know that there's something called Tech Nation visa. And he's a friend of mine. He's Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. He's going to be coming on a meetup. We have a weekly meetup every Thursday, and we bring professionals that come to share their wealth of expertise. He's going to be sharing with you on how to JAPA. Are you looking to JAPA? Are you enthused about JAPAing? Okay, so if you are, you want to learn about how to get into tech and you're not sure, this is the meetup you want to attend. It's tomorrow on Thursday. Okay, the details are there. It's going to be in the comment, and if you'd like to know, let me know. But if you're interested, please type JAPA in the comment. Let me know, and follow LEARNTOR for more tips on how to transition into tech with the area of Agile, Scrum, data analytics, design thinking, UX, UI, business analysis. All our details on our page. Visit us.